I have something to share. This is my second crochet project, and I completed it last night. And it looks so good. It has so much lore behind it. It's literally my blood, sweat, and tears. It took me 1.5 years to complete it, not because the patterns were hard to crochet or something, but because I was procrastinating it. And I completed more than half of this in the last 19 days. So I started this project in February 2024 with the thought that I really want to crochet something for myself, because the first project I crocheted was a beanie as a gift to someone. And I also remember I really wanted a gray scarf really bad. Like, I don't know why, but I wanted it really bad. So I started making this, then I stopped, and then I resumed again, but I ran out of yarn, and then I decided I will only invest in yarn if I sit and finish this in one go. So on October 1st, I decided to purchase some yarn and sit and finish this in a month. And last night, which was 19th October, I was finally done with it. I think it took me less than 19 days because there were certain days I did not get time to finish this at all. Here is a little time-lapse video of me finishing it up last night. I don't know what kind of crochet pattern it is. I learned it from a YouTube video. I will link it down below. The reason why I chose it was I really liked these line patterns when you look at it from afar, and I really wanted it in my scarf as well. And funny thing about this scarf is that I was not gonna make these fringes below, because I was like, it's just gonna be extra work and it'll be tedious. But then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. And it ended up being the best part about this scarf. I really like it. Like they look so cute, and they also do some belly charms. I just find them cute. I still have to wash and block it. If you don't know what blocking means, basically, after you wash it, washing I think is necessary when it comes to any knitted or crocheted project, and blocking just keeps it in a shape. So that's what I have to do right now, and then I will see how it feels, and then I'm gonna update again. So I have washed it and blocked it. It took like 24 hours to completely dry up. And I think that wasn't long because I was expecting it will take maybe 2 to 3 days or something, because it was a bit chilly here. And it is definitely much more soft and light. It just feels like I'm gonna sleep with this every single winter night. Just look at me pose. I don't wish to add weird music from YouTube.